here on site at Ermine Road for the launch of the 32 modular homes we have here on site, which will be housing some of our most vulnerable residents, and in particular those who have experienced rough sleeping. Haringey currently has one of the most ambitious house building programmes in London. Over the next year, we're hoping to start construction on 1,000 council homes, and over the next decade, we'll be building over 3,500 council homes at council rent.
So this is the first modular scheme that's been delivered under the Mayor's rough sleeping accommodation programme. 32 units of move-on accommodation for people who have been sleeping rough on the streets.
These have been specifically designed for their needs, and it's great to see this. A year ago this was an idea, and now it's a sort of concrete community where people who've had a hard time are going to get the support they need to get their life back on track and access mainstream housing.
Absolutely delighted to be here as part of this superb scheme. Massively thankful to the contribution of all at Haringey and also our team at Hill for making this dream a reality. Can't wait to see for when the first residents move in.